Thank you, guys. So we welcome you all in IITiansGate classes this webinar. And this webinar is regarding GATE Aerospace Engineering and opportunities through GATE Aerospace Engineering and other opportunities after your BTech. And guys, since we are education partner in your event, so GATE is more about your further academic career or industrial career in government sector. If you take DRDO, then you must need GATE score. If you take ADA also, you must need GATE score. Or if you take other government sector, you know organizations where GATE A score is useful in many ways, including project post or JRF post or the research post. Okay, so guys, can you guys quickly respond? Who all are in first year, second year? If you guys can respond. So without waiting more, we'll further move. In this session there are two part. Okay, in this session, guys, there are two parts. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so in this session there are two part. One is about GATE Aerospace Engineering. Okay, about exam, about syllabus, about reference books, about subject weightage and other information. So quickly we will go through that. Being uh, education partner for your event, it is our responsibility to inform everything in detail to first year and second year students who are going to appear for GATE in upcoming 26 and 27. Okay, so this is in brief about me, myself Dinesh Kumar Maheshwari, and I am organizer come chief mentor at IGC. Okay, and these are my credentials in brief, so you guys can go through all these details. And this session, as mentioned, is all about GATE Aerospace Engineering and opportunities. So in first part, we'll be discussing in brief GATE, about GATE exam, GATE Aerospace syllabus, IGC's outline on GATE Aerospace syllabus, GATE Aerospace subject weightage, GATE A preparation resources by IGC, and what are the success key to get best GATE score, IGC work and GATE A, and then opportunities where you might be looking into detail. So guys, GATE stands for what? Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Okay, and those who are in first year, they should know the mode of exam is online, and the duration of exam is 3 hours. Okay, and guys, the marks for exam is 100. So after exam and result comes, people get in their mark sheet or result three things. One will be AR, All India rank. Another will be marks obtained out of 100, and then there will be another thing which is called GATE score. So GATE score will be out of 1,000. Now there are two sections in exam. One is like a general aptitude, which is for 15 marks. So there are 10 questions total, 5 for 1 marks, 5 for 2 marks. And there is second section, which is technical part, and it is for 85 marks, which is what you learn in engineering. So you all are doing aero engineering. So the most or almost 100% syllabus is from what you learn in engineering. But the exam pattern will not be like your semester exam. So there are total 55 questions from technical part, 25 for 1 marks, and for 2 marks 30 questions. So those who have not appeared till now in GATE, they can note all these details. And type of questions, there are three type of questions in GATE exam: multiple choice questions, MCQs, multiple select questions, MSQs, numerical answer type questions, NAT. And there is a negative marking only for MCQs. So if MCQ is for 1 mark, then negative marking will be 1/3. And if your MCQ is of 2 marks, then negative marking is 2/3. So there is no negative marking for NAT and MSQs. Okay. In GATE exam, you will see so many NATs, but in NATs, you will do lot of silly mistakes because those are numerical answer type. You cannot verify your answers, but negative marking is not involved in those questions. So guys, any doubt, be free to make this session interactive. If you guys have any doubt or any concern in between, you guys be free to ask. Okay. So those who are watching this session on YT also can ask their doubt in YT chat. Okay. And if you guys, if you guys like this session, you guys can give thumbs up and share with your friends. Okay. So guys, can we move ahead quickly? Yeah, so GATE 2026 will be organized by IIT Roorkee. Okay, it is always pre-decided. So 2025 was, organized by IIT Roorkee. So, and also result is coming either, tonight late or tomorrow anytime for GATE 2025. And IGC will get as best ranks as usual. In fact, many rankers will be from your college. Yashwant, you know, right? This fact this year, many of your seniors are doing well. They are getting very good marks. Okay, so there will be many rankers. Okay, so you guys can cheers with them, and hopefully, as expected, IGC will have many rankers, at least 30 plus rankers in top 100, and of course, 3-4 students would be in top 10 as well. Okay. So guys, IGCians always rocks. Okay. Now, if you come to syllabus, general aptitude. So in general aptitude, there are three type of questions they are asking: from quantitative aptitude, 3D and spatial, and English and reasoning. So if you prepare for GATE, basically not only you are preparing for future masters programs and all. Indirectly, you will be preparing for your what placement, right, Yashwant and others, because in any company they will take first exam, aptitude exam, right? So if you are good in aptitude, at least you can clear that aptitude or the first round, right, before going to any technical or non-technical IT job, right? So guys, don't think if I prepare for GATE, I will not be preparing for my placement part. It is not that way. Of course, in placement, you have to prepare something extra also based on the company profile and for what domain you are preferring to work. So with first advantage, you will be good in aptitude if you prepare for GATE. Second advantage, you will be good in your technical learning. Okay, so if any technical jobs or any company which is working in core comes to your campus placement, you will be well ready. Okay, you will be doing better than others if you have prepared for GATE exam. Or in fact, if you go for any off-campus job, if you go for any internship in IIT or ISC or any other good place, they may take interview. And for that, they may ask you simple basic questions. And if you are prepared for GATE, you can easily answer. Clear, guys? So all of you are understanding advantage of GATE exam in the very first, yes or no? You guys can please respond to this poll. So guys, all other things are comes like masters or government job or any other opportunity later. When before that, the major advantage of GATE preparation are, to be good in general aptitude, to be good in your core engineering learning. Okay. So quickly, guys, respond to this poll. Hopefully, most of you will be agreeing with this. May not few people. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Is what technical syllabus. So in technical syllabus, the first section is what engineering mathematics, and you can see the syllabus of engineering mathematics. First, it is linear algebra, calculus, and then differential equation. Okay, and you guys can see there are many special topics like Fourier series, Laplace, complex variable, numerical methods, and then probability and statistics. So guys, if you want to work in non-core also, now emerging field like AI, ML and all, right? How many of you are thinking to switch in AI, ML and other stuffs, right? Because of high paid jobs and all, right? So there you need to be very good in engineering mathematics and specifically in three topics: linear algebra, calculus, and PS, probability and statistics, right? So guys, again, yes, one, yes, you can switch, and if you get in IIT, then your prospectus will be even much higher. Okay, because with BTech you may not get that kind of package or big company, but for surely if you are from IIT or ISC with excellent fundamentals in engineering mathematics along with knowledge of AIML, you will get high paid job. Recently, our one of the students from ISC Bangalore, he got around 40 LPA. Okay, though he did masters in aerospace engineering. So this 40 LPA, is it less in India? That too in companies like Mr. Himansu, we will discuss that part also. We will discuss opportunities also. First, we are telling about this GATE Aerospace Engineering, and then we'll be discussing about opportunities as well. Okay. I already mentioned in the first, quickly we will go through GATE Aerospace Engineering and then. Okay. Fine then, guys. So the next part is what flight mechanics. So you all know, guys, right? This is what you are going to learn or have learned in your engineering semester exams, like atmosphere, airplane performance, aircraft stability, and then there are special topics which are also from aircraft stability part. So many of these things you learn, and you guys can go back and look into syllabus. Then section space dynamics, which is very small syllabus in GATE exam, same way weightage also. Now, if you look into section 4, it is aerodynamics, which has three sections like basic fluid mechanics, and then low speed aerodynamics, and then compressible fluid flow, which is known as gas dynamics. So, and there are special topics which are again from gas dynamics part, more of wind tunnel testing, shock boundary, layer interactions, and other things. Clear? Now, if you go to next section, which is structures. So in structures, there are again three subjects, or in fact, fourth subject is basic engineering mechanics, then strength of material, flight vehicle structure or thin wall structure, and structural dynamics is nothing but mechanical vibration. And there are some special topics from mechanical vibration, theory of elasticity, and air stress function. So these are many of these topics. If you study aircraft structures by Maxon, you will find. Okay. Now next section is propulsion. So in propulsion, guys, this is what the syllabus, and it starts from your basic thermodynamics, and then jet propulsion, rocket propulsion, and some other basics of fluid again comes here. Along with that, sometimes they have asked some questions from heat transfer, and regularly they ask questions from thermochemistry. Clear? So this was all about GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus as per GATE 2025 official exam website. And usually GATE's syllabus will not going to change. Sometimes they do some changes, but more of it will remain same. From last 3 years, they didn't change anything in GATE Aerospace syllabus. Now, how IGC divides syllabus? So this is how IGC take the GATE Aerospace syllabus, okay, from scratch, and we believe in doing in this way in a systematic learning. So those who have learned fully from IGC in your college, you guys can go and ask about feedback either for recorded course or live classes. We also have multiple distance learning students like from test series courses and other. Okay, so this is how the subject wise weightage in 2025 exam. From general aptitude, 10 questions for 15 marks. From engineering mathematics, there were 12 questions in this GATE 2025 for 18 marks. From aerodynamics modules, 12 questions for 20 marks. From aircraft structures module, 12 questions for 19 marks. But this time there were little less questions from propulsion module and flight mechanics module, 9 questions from each for 14 marks, and also from space dynamics only one question. Usually 2-3 questions also comes from space dynamics. Now guys, in brief, if you go, this is what the summary. So for aerodynamics, 20 plus minus is weightage, structures 20 plus minus, aptitude is always 15, propulsion 17 plus minus, flight mechanics also 17 plus minus. Engineering mathematics is usually 12 plus minus, but particularly in 25 GATE, it was for 18 marks, and space dynamics 3 plus minus. This time it came for 2 marks. Most important subjects in GATE Aerospace are these subjects: general aptitude, engineering mathematics, strength of material, jet propulsion, aircraft performance. But in 2025, in fact, aircraft stability was also important, and then other subjects like aerodynamics and gas dynamics were also equally important. Okay. Now, guys, these are the preparation resources, so you guys can refer these books for different subjects, and there are miscellaneous books which you guys can refer for preparation. Okay. Now you guys have known about GATE exam, the kind of exam, syllabus, subject weightage, and preparation resources, which are like book form, reference book form. Then how you can prepare for GATE and when you should start preparing for GATE Aerospace. So the best time to start in fourth semester, or if you like fourth semester means when you are in second year, and then third year you will be writing first time GATE exam, and then fourth year also you will be writing second time. So if you can start, best start in fourth semester. So directly you will be preparing for many things. Like if you prepare well for aptitude, then placement preparation will happen. If you prepare well for mathematics, you will be ready for non-technicals field also, like emerging field, AIML and all. And if you are good in mathematics, indirectly it will help you in many core subjects also, because aerospace engineering is more of physics and mathematics. We do not have much theory. Okay. Sir, is this sequence so that, yeah, yes, Isha must. This is how IGC approach syllabus, and this should be followed for the complete learning. Because guys, I want to share one thing. Even in IGC, one electronics guy got AR2. Okay, electronics engineer. So you guys understand. Somebody who is not aero engineer and completely from different engineering branch learnt everything from IGC within 1 year and could got AR2. In fact, one guy from Calcutta, he was from Jadavpur University or some other college. He was doing instrumentation engineering, IN, and he got AR 17th. Okay, so this is how IGC work. Okay, clear issue and others. And ideally, 6 months to 1 year is enough for GATE preparation in a proper way. And there are students who are good in, basics and smart students, they can also get reasonably good GATE score or result in 2 to 4 months of preparation towards end if they have been doing good in engineering. Okay, so guys, any doubt till now? Aman, Ankita, Anurag, Archasmita, Bikash, Deepam, Gaurav, Gopal, Jayant.
No, sir. No,
So
sir.
are you guys finding this webinar interesting or useful? Guys, quickly say yes or no or thumbs up, because the idea of having this webinar to make you guys more aware about gate preparation resources, the value of gate exam, uh, and usefulness of gate exam in all sorts of you know your career opportunities. Okay, so quickly, guys, respond Nitya, Pratham, Pritam, Pulakit, Ram, Sahil, Shantanu, Sharad, Shlok, Shreyans, Shomik, Chetan. So, guys, one time I came to your college in person, but I think it was a holiday time, so I couldn't meet in person. Okay, to many people, but few people I met. Okay, because usually I come Kolkata, but surely next time when I come to Kolkata, uh, we can meet in person and discuss more also. Okay, but hopefully this webinar also will be useful to many of you. Okay, so guys, now once you decide, yes, I want to prepare for GATE, how you can prepare online or offline. Of course, offline you can use your college notes, your reference books and all. But online have like resources like from IGC and all. So online also have its own advantage. Offline preparation also have its own advantage. And in GATE Aerospace, you will not find any good offline resource, right? In if you take your city Kolkata itself, you may find good coaching institute for non-aero branches, but you may not find it, even a single institute for GATE Aerospace offering good offline classes. So guys, don't think offline classes are only good. Online classes are equally good if you are ready to learn well and put your hard work. Okay, and I'm very happy to say many of your college people watch IGC YouTube channel. Okay, even if they are not enrolled in IGC, we have close to 50,000 hours of watch time. Okay, in last few years on our YouTube channel. So guys, online resources are also equally good. Okay, fine. So I think now what are the key to get the best gate score, guys? So, guys, there is no magic wand, okay, or there is no shortcut to get very good gate score or rank. So, 3 Ds are there, which are like discipline, dedication, and determination, guys. Since you have decided, yes, you can choose this AIML. Push now. Okay, you will have better opportunities if you do masters, especially from premier institutes like IITs and ISC. With your BTech also, you can, if you become very good in engineering, mathematics, and then learn AIML basics along with try to get some internship in the same field. Okay, so there are 3 Ds, guys. Keep in mind, once you decide, yes, I should prepare for GATE, then it is discipline, dedication, and determination. There are 2 Cs which are very important, which are consistency and commitment. You should be committed to preparation. It is not like you join IGC or anywhere, or you say, okay, I'll do self study, I'll get ranked. No, you have to be consistent in your preparation and committed. And there is one I, which is always important for all of us, is what? Improvement. What we do, there should be improvement in that. Okay, clear? Yeah. So guys, about IGC preparation resources. So these are the IGC resources available professionally. So we have the live and recorded lectures in courses like online coaching, recorded course, then study materials and short notes, assignments, PYQs, solutions, mock exams, mentoring and guidance, doubt support, and many more things. Okay. So guys, any doubt till now? Because now we are going to move into next section, which is what GATE aerospace and opportunities. Anyone? Anyone have any question? Okay, hopefully no question. If it is there, you guys can mention in chat box or can speak. I will take up. Otherwise, let's move to next part. Yeah, so GATE A and opportunities. So guys, once you prepare well for GATE and you do well in GATE exam and obtain good GATE score, then these are the main opportunities you guys may have. So you guys can do always higher studies, PC, PhD, or any other course from premier institutes in India like IITs, NITs, ISC, or other institutes like IIST, DIIT, and many more. You guys can also join some kind of jobs in PSUs, IIT, ISC as a like research associates, research engineer, project engineer, junior research fellow, and many more. And scientist jobs in PSUs, mainly like currently DRDO and ARDA is hiring through GATE Aerospace. In future, there are chances ISRO may also get into hiring with the GATE A score. Currently, I don't have exact information, but we are hearing the same. Okay. So there are two verticals. So one is what higher studies through GATE Aerospace. These are the like top colleges like IITs, ISC, NITs, IST, DIT, and other good colleges. You can do courses like ME, MTech, MTech Research, MS, MDS, Integrated PhD, and many more. And PSUs, like as I told, you can get scientist job in DRDO, ARDA regularly from last few years. Few openings are coming for aero engineers through GATE Aerospace. Then you can get like in DRDO, ADA, SRO, CSIR labs, BEL, and HL, and many places. Other contractual jobs like JRF, project engineer, project associates, and many more. Now, with higher studies, like you can do higher studies either in India or abroad. The courses are these mentioned courses. I will mention where all you can do higher studies abroad also. So in India, these are the top colleges, and nowadays, guys, many IITs have master's courses related to aerospace, including ISC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Guwahati, Hyderabad, and then IIT Dharwad, uh, and there are related courses like in IIT Delhi, like applied mechanics and other places where you can do masters, and in NITs also you can do masters in mechanical related courses where GATE A score holders are eligible. And if you take NIT Warangal, NIT Trichy, and other NITs also equally very good in terms of the infrastructure and quality learning. Okay. Now, if you want to do masters from abroad through GATE Aerospace score, then you can do from Singapore. Singapore is a bit costly, okay, but still people get admission in this Nanyang Technological University, NTU, Singapore. And you guys can also do masters in Germany with GATE A score, especially WTH Aachen or Technical University of Germany. Okay, some of our students have done the same. Okay, now guys, you can do masters from abroad, like from US, Canada, or Europe, not through GATE Aerospace, but through writing exams like GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, right? But again, if you are good in your engineering knowledge, definitely you are going to perform far better there. Okay, because end of the day, if you are going for masters, you will be going in a core engineering, right? More of, you are not going there for any IT job first place. So preparing for gate. Of course, IIST is also one of the option, but there are many other good colleges in India, specifically infrastructure-wise. There are lagging in IIST. Okay, I have personally visited, and I can understand they are very good college for especially BTech. Okay, question now. But as far as master's program is there, they do have courses in some masters in applied mechanics or some fluid mechanics like that. There are few courses there. But usually after IITs, NIT, we suggest at IGC like college like IIST Trivandrum or DIIT Pune. Okay. Otherwise, some of my friends long back have done masters from this your college, and they got placed also. Okay. So now PSU jobs. So PSU jobs, as mentioned, specifically DRDO and NADA use jobs through GATE A score. First, they will shortlist based on GATE score with the number of vacancies and the category, and then they will take interview. Then ISRO and all these other places, you guys get the other contractual jobs like JRF and all through GATE A score. There are many or plenty of opportunities in MNCs, specifically in India. Once you do your master's or PhD from IIT or other place, so you guys can see. Now, through GATE A, these are the PSU jobs. Okay, so you guys can always visit these websites as and when advertisement comes. So we also informing our students through different groups. As I shared this group, guys, you guys can join this Telegram group or can follow us on YouTube or other places. You will come to know. Then now the most important part where people are not well aware key once they do masters, what are the core aerospace companies where they can work in India. So guys, now I will list out all the companies based on component wise. So like if you take airframe companies in India, so Airbus is also there, Boeing is there, Bombardier Aerospace is there. All these companies are there in Bangalore. They hire aero engineers with masters in that different you know requirements like either in mechanical system or airframe structures, wing structures, and many other requirements. Now there are aero engine companies also in Bangalore like General Electric, Honeywell, Rolls-Royce, Safran. Now currently Rolls-Royce have merged their engineering division with Infosys, but they also hire aero engineers. Aeronautical company, so this Collins Aerospace and Bombardier Aerospace are national companies. Both are there in Bangalore and India. They hire aero graduates. Now landing gear companies. So Collins Aerospace and Safran both works for landing gears, and both are there in Bangalore, and they hire aero engineers. Now, if you take aircraft interior companies, so there are companies like Collins Aerospace, B Aerospace. So B Aerospace is in Hyderabad and both works in interiors, like sittings in aircraft or cabin and many other things. Aircraft system companies. So Eaton is one of the world famous aircraft system companies, and Eaton is in Pune. They also hire aero engineers, okay, for different roles. Now there are many other aerospace service provider companies in India. Now Tata Advanced Systems they have done many things. Even they are there in now manufacturing, design, and many other things with other partners like Airbus and all, like C and Quest Global, Ultra, Netkins, and many more. All, in fact, all IT company also having engineering service verticals. So they have their aerospace clients. Okay. So these are the core aerospace companies. So Isha, the live classes will be like well planned scheduled classes. For recorded, we will share the whole content together. So there you can customize based on your availability and time. Otherwise, both courses are good. And what is TA and RA? So teaching assistantship and research associates. Usually, if you do MTech 2 year program, then it will be teaching assistant, and if you do MTech research or MS program, then you will be research associate. Okay. So, guys, basically, other than live classes, everything is common between online coaching program and target gate course. Okay, Isha. Now, guys, don't just limit yourself, to only core aerospace companies. You can get many more opportunities, like in mechanical software companies like ANSYS, Altair, Dassault, MATLAB, Siemens. So, if you do masters from IIT or NIT, you definitely can get placed in these companies in different role, including coding. Okay, application. Developer role or testing role or technical support role. Okay, clear. These all are mechanical software companies, and they are there in India. Like NCS is in Pune, Altair Dassault is in Bangalore, Siemens is in Pune, MATLAB is in Bangalore. Clear, guys? You can also work in automotive companies like any other mechanical engineer. Many of our friends are working in Chennai, like in Nissan Renault. You can also work in Bench. People are working in Bangalore in Bench. Okay, Tata Motors and other. You can work, guys, specifically in this renewable energy company, Vestas, LML Wind Power, G Energy, Siemens Gamesa. Many of our friends are working in this Siemens Gamesa, both in Bangalore and Gurgaon location, and they offer well. Okay, because all the wind blades are of what is the cross section of wind blade? Same like our aircraft wing, right? Aerofoil shape. So a lot of aerodynamics is involved there. Clear? So guys, you need to be have broad mind. If you are really interested in core engineering, then there will be plenty of option if you get right place. And then, guys, you can work in any other companies, mechanical companies, even companies like LG, then this like Whirlpool and many more, because also work in compressor design and all, right? Clear? Because we learn in our jet propulsion, compressors, turbines, and all this other steps. Okay, now guys, which is very important for all of you, there are plenty of exams apart from GATE. One is what HLDT. So HL take its own exam for aero engineer for design trainee uh, engineering job. DGC also takes its own exam, air safety officer exam. ISRO take as of now ICRB exam for BTech recruitment. Air Force take FCAT exam. Airport Authority of India take ATC JE exam. So for all these exams you are eligible. So if you have you know like feeling okay, I just want to work in only in government sector, then there are plenty of exams and you must work hard to prepare any of these exam and crack it and get your dream job. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Everyone, those who are watching this session. Okay, so this was all about important exams for core government jobs or PSU jobs, public service jobs. Now, guys, you guys also should know there are plenty of startups in India in aerospace sector. So where you can work after your BTech or your masters, like Agnikul Cosmos, Skyroot, New Space Research and Technology, Biotech, Teka, Tejas, Manastu, Setshore, this Pixel Space, and many more. Okay, clear? And there are many UAV and drone companies also in India. So there also you guys can work like Paras Aerospace, Garuda, Multiplex, General Aeronautics, Thanos. So many are there. Okay, so many startup guys across India in drone. So there also your flight physics knowledge, your design, aircraft stability knowledge. Stability is very important, right? For drone design and all. So you guys can, you know, apply your core aerospace learning in these places. Okay, so this is where many of may be looking. You can work in data science and machine learning jobs because aerospace engineering is more about mathematics and physics. So if you are good in mathematics and along with this, you enhance your skill in basics of AI ML and do some internship, you may end up with a reasonably a good job. Yeah. So you have any question? Who have raised a hand? Anyone have any question? Prakash, Pramit, Pavitra, Pritam, Pratham, Saurabh, Tanmay, Utpanna, Shlok, Niloy. Okay. So guys, now I think we have done both part. One was about GATE Aerospace Engineering, and second part was about GATE Aerospace and opportunities, career opportunities. Any question, guys? Anything you guys want to know from me? Because I have worked in 9+ years in industry also in different companies in different aerospace components. Yeah, so Sahil, any question from your team? Because
No, sir, not,
yes.
not yet, sir.
So was this session useful? Hopefully you were aware of many of these things, right? But maybe first year and second year
Yes,
students
sir.
may not. Yeah.
Sir, I would
Okay.
like to tell the team that if you have any questions, then this is the time you can ask, or you can write in the public chat section. Sir is ready to answer.
Yeah, so thank you, Sahil. It was long due. Okay, we thought to do this last year also when we did earlier also, sponsorship.
Sir.
Uh,
Hmm.
yeah, so this time we could do, and in fact, your senior Rahul,
Rahul Modak bhaiya.
Rahul, yeah, even Ankita Nag, Rahul. So they
Hmm.
told, ki our juniors will do sometime. Even they told Rudrani will, plan that, but again, it couldn't get materialized. So
Yes, sir.
now
Actually,
it's
at that time, we were also not in the campus, and that did not
okay.
happen actually.
Okay, fine, perfect, no issue. Okay,
Hmm.
yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
guys,
sir. This
be
was
quick. I have, yeah,
useful
thank you.
session.
Yeah, I have some other commitment further. So, guys,
Hmm.
you guys can reach on this number for any other details. You can ask to contact me if any other queries there. You guys can write a mail also. You guys can visit our website. And I am very happy to share, Shahil. We are planning to launch some industry-oriented course also. The first course we are launching now, the fundamentals of CFD and its application from April. Okay,
That is
so
a very useful.
today, yeah, today only we have shared a notification for SAM, so you guys can look into that also, and that course will be really useful to many people who want direct good job after BTech, because there are jobs coming in the area of CFD and all, but they need some prior knowledge. Okay, so IGC course will be a the good startup for even those who want to do masters also for them, because if you have prior good knowledge of any tool like CFD or FEA, you can do a lot of good research or good project in IIT or IC. Yeah. So for that also you guys can look into details. Yeah, you
Yes, sir.
wanted to say.
Share me the link. I'll share it with everyone.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll share you all these details. Please forward it to all ESC students. They can look into and can use. And there are plenty of IGC work available on YouTube channels also, guys, specifically PYQ solutions and all. So be free to utilize either you join us or not. The end of the day, you should become better engineer because we all are inspired by Kalam sir, right? We have most of us have joined aerospace engineering by choice, not by chance. So guys, keep it up, and I'm very happy. In last few years, almost 20 scientists we have produced, and some of them are your seniors. So I'll be very happy down the line 20-25 years, right? They will be in a top position in India.
Right, sir.
Uh,
That is a huge number.
Yeah, so like this, I have students now in HL, DGC also. Last year, we got 13, 12 or 13 people in DGC for air safety officer post. So that is what the great satisfaction at IGC we have. What we have started, of course, it is shaping in same way or even we are doing better than what we have thought when we started. So what extra we will get if we join IGC, because many says that studying book is enough to clear. See guys, the best thing you will get, you will save a lot of time. See, book is like ocean, right? There are plenty of things directly which may be important, may not be. Second thing, clarity of the concepts, to the point learning, and then very happy and healthy environment. Very you will get in touch with toppers directly. So there are many things which are IGC offer: the continuous mentoring, guidance, future guidance. That side you ask your senior Rahul or Ankita, or those who have become scientists like Niladri, or Dheeraj, or you ask Shruti, you ask this guy Shreyans, I think Shreyan Chaudhary or someone. Okay, Shreyas Chaudhary and many more. Okay, Santanu. So there are many benefit, but again, what decision you take. See, I can assure Santanu one thing. Suppose with your preparation you are getting some rank, two-digit rank, and if you join IGC and you put similar hard work, surely you can get one-digit rank. Okay, because we will put a lot of value addition. Of course, many of you are capable of getting a reasonable two-digit or maybe one-digit rank also. But if you join IGC, if you are capable of getting one-digit rank, you will get AR1 also, because your senior Niladri have got AR1. Clear? So what IGC do value addition? Understand, guys? Okay. So Isha or Himanshu, now Himanshu we have done, right, discussion on that. Okay guys, then we will wind up if no more question, because I have some other commitments, sorry to say. Okay, so guys, be free to follow us on different social media platform for regular update from IGC. And Santanu, be free to connect with us, through phone or mail. Okay, and I'll have my own number also. So Sahil, if anybody inquire, you can directly share my own number also. I will be happy to
Mm.
mentor and that.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you all for your time and listening me for so long. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Take care.